Good morning class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and I hope you have done the work which I have given you in the previous video. Today we will learn addition and subtraction of metric units of measurement. Right? So let's start. Take out your books everyone. Page number 137. Question number 1 we will do in the book only. Question number 1 we will do in the book. Find the sum. Page number 137. Question number 1. A part. A part I have written on the board 77 kilometer, 356 meter, 85 centimeter, 55 kilometer, 563 meter and 77 centimeter, 6 kilometer, 99 meter and 6 centimeter. So we have to add these three terms, right? So let's start from the ones place. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So we will write 8 here and 1 will be carried forward. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So we will write 6 here and 1 will be carried forward. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. And 1 will be again carried forward. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9. So 12 plus 9 will be 25. 1 will be written here and 2 will be carried forward. Now next. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 will be carried forward. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. So we will write 9 here and 1 will be again carried forward. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So we will write 13 here because there is no number. Right? So 139 kilometer, 19 meter, 68 centimeter. So this will be the answer. You can note it down in the book. Question number 1 we will do in the book only. A part, as you can see, we have done with the A part. Now the B part will be your homework. You can note this down. Okay students, let's start with question number 2. Write in vertical form and find the sum of the following. Right? A part 564 kilometer, 156 meter. 125 kilometer, 414 meter and 4115 kilometer, 102 meter. We have given three terms. We have to write first these three terms in vertical column and then we have to find the sum. Sum means to add these. So we will write kilometer, two units are given to us, kilometer and meter. Now we will add these terms. We will write first term 564 under kilometer and 156 under meter. Then second term 125 under kilometer and 414 under meter. Next last term 4115 under kilometer and 102 under meter. Now we will add these terms. Right? Now we will add these terms. We will start from the ones place. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 2. So we will write 2 here and 1 here. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Right? And yes, this question you need to do in your notebook. Question number 1 we have done in our book. Now this question number 2 we will do in our notebook. So you can start writing, right? Now we will add these terms. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. We will write 4 here and 1 we will carry forward. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1. So we will write 0 here and 1 will be carried forward. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 1. So the answer is 1104 kilometer 672 meter. So this is the answer. Right? I hope you have understood. Now let's come to the B part. 66 kilometer 162 meter 32 centimeter. Now in this question we have three terms. The units are kilometer, meter and centimeter. And 53 kilometer 806 meter 87 centimeter. Right? So first of all we will write kilometer, meter and centimeter. Because these three units are given to us, then we will write the two terms which are given to us. 66 kilometer, first term I am writing 66 kilometer, 162 meter and 32 centimeter, right? Now the second term is 53 kilometer, 806 meter and 87 centimeter. Now again we will add these terms, right? Starting from ones place. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 we will write here and 1 will be carried forward. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 5, 11. Now we will write the terms. 119 kilometer, 969 meter and 19 centimeter. So this is the way we write in the vertical forms, then we will add. As you can see, I have done two parts for you. A and B part I have done. So C part will be your homework. Please write it down in your notebook. Class, let's start with question number 3 now. Find the difference. This question we need to do in the book only, right? So let's start the question. Difference, as you all know, what do you mean by difference? We need to subtract the terms. See, A part 369 kilometer, 444 meter, subtract 236 kilometers, 652 meters. So we need to subtract these two terms, right? So we will start from the ones place. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 5. See, 4 is smaller than 5. So these two terms cannot be subtracted, right? So we have to borrow from the next digit. Again 4 is smaller than 6. It can't be subtracted. So we have to borrow from the next digit. Now 9 is bigger than 6. These two terms can be subtracted. So we have to borrow from 9. So we have to borrow from 9. If we borrow 1 from 9, it will be 8. 8 will be left here. And we have given 1 to 4. So it will be 14. But we know that this 4 also need 1 for subtracting. So here we will borrow 1 from this digit to give to the next digit. So here 13 will be left and here we will be having 40. Right? We have given 1 to this digit, 40. So 14 minus 5 will be 9. 13 minus 6 will be 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we will write the units. 132 kilometer, 792 meter. This was the A part. Now let's come to the B part. We have to subtract 116 meter, 77 centimeter, 86 meter, 96 centimeter. Let's start with the ones please. 7 minus 6, 1. Now you can see 7 is smaller than 9. So these two terms cannot be subtracted. So we have to borrow from the next digit. Next digit we can check 6 and 6. These two digits are same. So these cannot be, this digit cannot give to the next. So we have to borrow from the next. 1 is again smaller than 8. So we have to borrow from this number, which is 1. So here we will be having 0, right? It will give 1 to this digit. It will be 11. Now we know that we have to give 1 to this digit also, next digit. So here 10 will be left. Here 16. Now 7 also want 1 for subtraction. So here 15 will be left. And here we will be having 17. So 17 minus 9 will be 8. 15 minus 6 will be 9. 10 minus 8 will be 2. So the answer will be 29 meter 81 centimeter. So as you can see, we have done 2 parts, A and B part. So you will do C part on your own at home. You can note it down. Now let's come to question number 4. Question number 4, subtract by writing in vertical form. This question we need to do in our notebooks, right? A part, 25 kilometer, 289 meter from 38 kilometer, 321 meter. So as you know, whichever term is written after from, it will come first. The term which is written after from will come first. So first we will write this term, then we will write this term, and then we will subtract. So let's write, we have 2 units, so we will write kilometer and meter. We will write kilometer and meter. 2 units are there. So first we will write this term, because term which is written after from is written first. So 38 kilometer, 321 meter. Then we will write this term, 25 kilometer, 289 meter, 289. Then we will put the sign of subtraction, and then we will subtract. As you can see, 1 is smaller than 9, so it cannot be subtracted. Again 2 is smaller than 8, it cannot be subtracted. 3 is bigger than 2, so we can borrow from 3, right? We can borrow from 3. So we have borrowed 1 from 3, so we will write 2 here. Here we will write 11, because we will give 1 to 1. So here we will get 1. 1 minus 9, 11 minus 9 will be 2. 11 minus 8 will be 3. And 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So it will be 13 kilometer, 32 meter. So this will be the answer. Right? Let's come to the D part. 26 kilometer, 289 meter, 80 centimeter, 6 millimeter from 30 kilometer, 95 centimeter, 9 millimeter. So first we will write the bigger unit. You can see 30 kilometer is bigger than 26 kilometers. So for every time whenever we subtract, we write the first bigger unit. Or the number which is written up after from, we write that number first. Right? First we will write the units. Kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Right? So first we will write 30 kilometer, 30. 30. Meter unit, meter number is not given, so we will not write. Now we will write 95 centimeter and 9 millimeters. Next we will write 26 kilometer, 289 meter, 80 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Now we will subtract these numbers, but these can't be left blank, so we will put 0, 0, 0, right? Because 3 digits were there, so we will put 3 zeros here. Okay, now we will start subtracting from the ones place. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now you can see 0 is smaller than 9, so it can't be subtracted. So we have to borrow one number. 0, again 0 is smaller than 8, it can't be subtracted. Again 0 is smaller than 2, it can't be subtracted. Next, let's see, 0 is smaller than 6, it can't be subtracted. So we have to borrow one number from the next digit to subtract. So we can see 3 is bigger than 2, so we can borrow 1 from 3 to subtract. So we have to borrow 1 from 3. So what is left here? 2 is left here, right? 2 is left here. So 1 is given to 0. So it will become 10. And now you can see the next number. This number also want 1. So what we will do? We will borrow one number from here and give it to this number. Here we will get 10. Again we have next number is 0. So we have to borrow one number again from this number. So it will become 10. Next digit will become 10. Now you can see again the next digit is 0. We also want one number from here. So from here we have to borrow one number. It will become 9 and this number will become 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6, 3 and 2 minus 2, 0. Now we will write the units, right? Kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter, right? So you can note it down in notebook. As you can see, we have done question number 4, A and B part. So B and C part will be your homework, right? So you can note it down in this part in your notebook. And that's all for today class. Thank you and have a nice day.